Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw crypto from Kraken to your bank account. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. So first, you will open your Kraken app and then you will log in and tap funding and select withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency that you would want to convert to fiat, for example, BTC, ETH, or XRP. Tap to bank account and then you will select your link bank and then enter the amount of crypto that you would want to withdraw. Kraken will show the fiat equivalent and fees, and now you will review withdrawal details carefully. Tap submit withdrawal and then you will confirm 2FA or email verification if prompted. Funds will be processed and sent to your bank according to Kraken's schedule. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.